NOK stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Nokia Corporation stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, it's kind of going down. Genuinely, like first glance, the most recent idea was correct. Yeah, I mean, check this out. It was 485 at the time. I wanted to see a little pull down so I could then take it further up. Guess what happened? Exactly that. Now, this is 2 months ago. And honestly, like, here's the top. Here's my demand zone. 30-minute chart. The only thing that I would care about is a double break here so I can take it further up. And if that doesn't happen, bro, then I just don't care, quite frankly. There you go. All I'm doing here in the meantime is just I'm waiting for my rules to be met, and if they're not met, then I'm not buying. Very, very simple. So that's NOK. One result in here. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.